The line utilizes quick disconnect plugs for the majority of the electrical and hydraulic lines for ease of installation. State-of-the-art servo motors on the multiplane straighteners are precisely controlled by servo drive sets to allow for automated roll positioning. The self-contained coolant system with chiller and high-capacity paper filtration keeps the coolant clean and cold to ensure optimal tool and pump life. The planetary polisher and spindle bases are designed and built on a gradual slope to allow for consistent coolant return into designated areas to eliminate standing water. Medart utilizes the latest Rockwell software and Allen Bradley components on the line. Medart can also work in the Siemens platform if the customer prefers. As the wire is pulled from the payoff, it passes through the coil feeding dancer arm for snag detection. Next, the directly opposing feed roll system with synchronized speed match feeds the wire to the multiplane straighteners. The multiplane straighteners are servo-controlled with OEE recipe integration. A dedicated server stores all recipes and OEE information utilizing Factory Talk View, Factory Metrics, and Factory Transaction Manager. The small roll multiplane straightener sets accommodate small diameter wire, while the large roll multiplane straightener sets accommodate larger diameter wire. As the wire exits the straighteners, it passes through a group of vibration-dampening steady rest rolls. The wire is then fed into the compensating cutter head spindle. Medart has a unique advantage with this design. By using a compensation cone, our systems don't hold chips, and with the high-pressure coolant system delivered from the exit side of the peeler, we remove the heat with the chip and cool the carbide to allow for increased process speeds and prolonged carbide service life. Entry and exit collets support the wire during the peeling process to help eliminate vibration and chatter. Once peeled, the wire passes through another set of steady rolls for support and an air wipe to remove debris so that an accurate diameter measurement can be taken on the first of 2 laser micrometers on the line. 2 sets of steady rest rolls positioned in a horizontal orientation guide the wire as it enters the 2-head planetary belt polishing system. The planetary polishers provide a uniform surface finish and allow for slight stock removal. The polished wire is then fed through the second laser micrometer for final size verification. Now that the wire has been peeled and polished and final diameter is set, the take-up recoiler system recoils the wire around the drum, and the wire is wound back on the retractable coil cart. The coil set rolls are LVDT controlled for position in the recipe system. Medart, large enough to serve you and small enough to care.